Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jo Banks from jobanks.net, and in this video, I'm tapping for releasing fear of judgment. I think this ranks highly together with fear of failure and fear of success as reasons why many of my clients stop themselves from achieving the life that they want. So if this resonates with you, let's see if we can do something about it. If you want to know more about tapping, its benefits, what it can be used for, and the science behind it, I really recommend this video. The link will be below. This is a generic tapping for feelings of judgment. So please feel free to amend the words as we go to ones that work for your particular situation. Okay, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how big the emotion is for you, 10 being as bad as it could be. Now, tap where I tap and repeat what I say to release your fear of judgment. Tapping on the karate chop, 2 or 3 fingers on that soft part of the hand. Even though I have a fear of judgment, I deeply and completely love, honour, and accept myself. Even though I have these feelings that I might be judged, I deeply and completely love, honour, and accept myself. Even though I have all of these feelings that I might be being judged, I deeply and completely love, honour, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who has anything to do with this, because I choose to be that free. Tapping through the points. All this fear that I have, all this fear that I might be judged. I'm worried what people will think. I'm worried what people will think about me. I'm scared that people are going to laugh at me. I'm worried that people will think I'm no good. I'm worried that I might fail. And people judge me harshly for it. I'll feel embarrassed. And it'll feel overwhelming. And I don't really know how I might recover from that. So you know what? It's probably better I don't try. If I don't try, I won't get judged. If I keep myself small, I won't get judged. That's no way to live. I've got tons of skills and abilities. There are so many things that I want to do. And I don't want fear to stop me. I don't want this fear to stop me achieving. But I am really worried. What if people reject me? What if people say mean things about me? What if they laugh at me? What if I just feel so embarrassed? I'll never live it down. So it's better not to try. It's better not to put myself in that position to begin with. But I want to do this thing. I do really want to do it. So it's time to clear this fear of judgment. Who are other people to judge me? After all, people who judge others, especially when they're doing something really good, do so out of fear. Fear for a number of reasons. Fear that I'll change. Fear that I'll leave them behind. My success might make them feel bad because they can't be bothered. Or maybe they don't have the skills to do what I can do. And so they may very well judge me. But that's on them, not me. I'm worthy of this. I can do this. And I'm not letting this fear stop me. So I'm releasing this fear in all the deepest roots and causes of this fear. I'm releasing all of this judgment in all the deepest roots and causes of this judgment. I'm releasing this fear of judgment from every single fibre of my being. I can do this. This will be good. I'll be making a difference to myself, my family, and potentially everyone. Because if I'm in a good mood and I succeed, those good vibes go out into the universe. I can do this. And I'm not letting people stop me. I'm not letting anybody get in the way of me achieving this. Because I'm worthy of this. I've worked hard for this. And I'm not about to let somebody take that away. If it does create judgment, then that's on them. I can't be responsible for other people's feelings. I know I can do this. I know I'm going to be good at this. And so I'm stopping myself. I'm moving powerfully forward in mind, body, and spirit. Take a deep breath in and out. Now rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how big the emotion is now. If it's a 3 or above, repeat this tapping sequence and keep repeating it until it's a 3 or below. You've worked hard. You've got this. You can do this. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Finally, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. Oh, and if there is anything you would like me to do a tapping video on or anything on self-hypnosis, please leave it in the comments section below. I read everything and respond to everything, and I will definitely add them to the list. Thanks so much for your support.